Hi, kindergarten. Welcome to math class. We've been talking about measurement, okay? Measurement. And there's lots of different things we can measure. For example, there's a little timer on the top of my video that I'm making right now that measures how much time the video is. And right now it's at 18 seconds, okay? So timers are a form of measurement. Timers measure how much time has elapsed or how much time is left. And then I also brought some other stuff I found around my house. Since you guys had to do a scavenger hunt of measurement items, I did the same thing. So here's some things I found in my house for measurement. I found this cup. It's a half a cup, okay? And I use this to measure ingredients when I'm baking. Sometimes I use it to measure how much water I'm going to put in my plants because I have some house plants that if you overwater them, they'll die. And so I might use this. See, you can see it has 1 with a dash and a 2. That means 1/2 a cup, okay? And so this is a way of measuring like ingredients and things like that, or water. And then I have this, right? This is called a measuring tape. It's sort of like a ruler, except a ruler is straight and doesn't bend, all right? When we have something that has inches on it, sort of like a ruler, but it bends, it's something that can be like, put around things, that's called a measuring tape. Just like tape, when you have like Scotch tape, it can go around things, same with a measuring tape. And this is used the same way as a ruler, except it's used to measure around items that you couldn't measure with a ruler. Like if I had a straight ruler and I wanted to measure around this coffee cup, that wouldn't work because it's flat, all right? But if I want to use my measuring tape, I could measure around. I don't know if I can hold this up and do it at the same time, but I'll hold it up in a second. I can put it around the cup, all right, and find out how long around there is for the measuring tape. And then finally, I brought one more thing and then this video will be done. I've got this, all right? Whoa, what is this? There's so many different measurements. These are all inches, okay? And this is a quilting board. I use this to cut out pieces of fabric to make quilts, all right? And so it's easier to measure it if I can just put the fabric right on here and measure up against the side. That's a lot easier than if I were gonna use a ruler, right? And so I use this to measure fabric because if I don't measure the fabric correctly, my quilt won't work, okay? Or whatever else I'm sewing, but usually for quilting. So those are the 3 items that I found that can be used to measure things. I guess 4 if you count the timer. And so those are the items I found. I just wanted to share them with you, and I'm excited to see what you guys did for your scavenger hunt the other day. All right, bye.